land the cabin. We are in our bathroom right now, replacing the floor. It was actually rotted out. So we went in there and put brand new plywood down. We screwed it, and then we came back in and sealed all the seams with water-soluble caulking. If you come down here a little bit, you can see that we have used whatever sealing caulking we had. We had white, we had brown, we had clear, and as you can see, we had black too. So we're at the point now that we're just waiting for this to dry. Let it dry overnight. This is the next morning, and we are out here getting ready to put on a sealer, which is called Red Guard. We're not affiliated with Red Guard, but this is a great product to put on your floor in your bathroom or in your kitchen to keep water from seeping through your plywood. So what you do is you take it and it dries out this color. What you want to do is you want to do 2 good coats, 3 if possible. If you have anything extra, you can put it down, obviously. You want to do a coat this way, and then you want to do a coat this way. That ensures that you get 100% coverage without any spots that don't have the product. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to move forward. After this dries, it takes about an hour per coat, hour and a half. You can come in with your finger and you can touch it to see if it's dry. And then we're going to move over to this spot right here. You can see where we have laid down some of the plankings that we're going to put down, and you offset them. So what we'll do when we get this down, we'll come back and we'll show you this part of the process and how we did it. We've got the new floor in the bathroom. The Red Guard is down. As you can see, that's why they call it Red Guard. It's red. It's kind of like a rubberized coating that seals the floor to where you won't get any water seepage through it. It rots the floor out. While we're in here, we decided to take the time and paint that back wall green. Got rid of the yellow. The next move is putting the flooring down and building the wall that goes right here, across this here, and down and tucks into this wall right here. You can see where it tucks in. We're putting in the floor. We're putting in the planking with the padded backing already on it. That way you don't have to reset the padding on it. We're offsetting these to where we have a offset pattern. You can see here's where a joint is, there's a joint, there's a joint, there's a joint, and they're offset. You don't want to stair step these because you can see the pattern of the stair step and it actually weakens your floor. The tools that I'm using for this is these little jobs right here, and I just cut little 1/4-inch spacers and I put between the floor. You need to have spacing between it so that your floor floats and allows the expansion and contraction with the different times of the year. So I'll show you how I put one in. We're putting in a long one right now. You just put it in at an angle, push it down. I've used this rubber piece. You want to throw that away. Go get yourself a piece 2x4, get up on top of your lip, just like this, and you just want to tap it in place. Until this gap right here seals off. And if you have to slide it that way, you can use this tool right here to tap it against there. There we go. So the next one we're going to put in a short piece here. So give me a moment, I'll go out and get it. I'll be right back. What you want to do is you want to take this lip, this wide lip, and you have a wide lip right here. This is the way it's supposed to go in and lock in, but you want to turn it around You want to leave your 1/4 inch gap at that end and get your mark. Then you'll cut that, put that in place. This remnant, just like this remnant here, now you're going to take this remnant that you've cut, which this is going to be the extra, you're going to turn it around just like this, and it's going to go into place at this end. So we'll keep moving forward. I'll speed this up a little bit. We'll do a few. All right, we got the floor done. You can see it turned out fantastic. We offset a lot of the different colors. We made sure, as I talked about before, to offset your cuts so you don't end up with that stair step. So it'll give you a really good view of the floor and what it looks like. Sink will go in that corner. Toilet will go right there. And then right here we're putting a clawfoot tub. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So do me a favor, guys. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, comment below, and let us know what you think of our projects. And we appreciate you joining us at Land a Cabin.